Hey guys, it's Preston Brown, physical therapist with Prestige Therapy and Wellness, and I want to talk today about how to fix humpback posture or forward head posture. And what I mean by that is the posture where you're tilted forward and your head is pitched forward and the shoulders are rounded, and there might even be a bulge in the back of the upper back. And for some individuals, this posture can really affect their walking, it can affect your balance. It can be something that you might be embarrassed of, having the posture or pitched forward. Also too, later in life, it can affect if you have issues with your bone mass. It could lead to a fracture in your spine as well. So it's something we would want to focus on fixing or helping, especially as we age. Now, there are 3 simple, easy exercises we're going to go over today. They're going to be done in the sitting position, and this is something that is manageable to do sitting. They're a little bit challenging to do laying down or standing. If you're able to do standing, that's perfectly fine too, but we're going to go over sitting. And let's get into the exercises. So we're going to think about doing the exercise where we're going to focus on our upper back, okay? And if you're able to, you can lace the hands or the fingers behind your head, or you can just place them behind your head. If you cannot do that, you can also bring your hands behind your back. If you cannot do that position, you can cross your arms across your chest and just try to keep your elbows out to the side. If you cannot do that, let your hands relax in your belly or on the lap. Okay, and what we're going to do, we're not going to try to arch the lower back. We're actually working on the mid to upper back. Okay, so between the shoulder blades, and we're going to put the hands behind your head if you can, keeping your elbows out to the side. You're going to bring the chest up towards the ceiling. It should be a nice gentle stretch. You're holding that position, and then you relax. Good. And again, we're lifting the chest up towards the ceiling. And this should not come from the lower part of your back. This should be the upper part of your back. And then again, you're going to lift up the chest. And then relax. What we're going to do is we're going to work on our posture. We're going to incorporate our abdominal muscles, because the abdominal muscles are part of that stability that comes. It's like a tree trunk. The trunk or our core muscles are important for our posture. So what you're going to do, you're going to, if you have a pillow behind the small of your back, that's perfectly fine. If you don't, if you have a back rest, just kind of bring yourself to the back rest if you can, and if it's comfortable. Now you're going to think about pulling the pelvis backwards or flattening the back and holding the stomach muscles tight, but do not hold your breath. I'm holding my stomach muscles. I'm flattening the back right now as I talk, so you know you're not holding your breath. If you count out loud, that's an easy way to know you're not holding your breath. And then what we're going to add is a chin tuck. So we're going to tuck the chin so your ears are over your shoulders. You're going to hold that position, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we relax. Okay, so you're flattening the back or pulling the belly button in. Try to tilt that pelvis back so the back flattens out. You're going to bring your chin back, hold it, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then relax. When you do that chin tuck, don't flex your neck up or down. Try to stay in the middle, and then you're just bringing the ears over the shoulders. And then again, we're flattening the back, chin tuck. 2, 3, 4, 5, and then relax. Okay, so we're going to go through our shoulder blade pinches, and this exercise is important again for the posture. And what you're going to do, if you can't hold your arms out to the side, you can have your hands relaxed in your lap. You're going to try to relax the shoulders as much as you can down towards the floor, and then you're going to pinch the shoulder blades back and in. Okay, so as if the bottom of the shoulder blade is going together or meeting in the middle. Okay, so you're squeezing the shoulder blades back. If you can keep your palms out to the side, Keep your elbows tucked in towards your body. You're going to bring the elbows back. You're going to stick the chest out, tighten the shoulder blades. 2, 3, 4, 5, and then relax. You're trying to squeeze those shoulder blades. So as if you're putting your elbows into your back pocket. Squeeze the shoulders. 2, 3, 4, 5, and then relax. Good. And then we're going to bring those elbows back. Squeeze. 2, 3, 4, 5, and then relax. So there you have it. 3 simple exercises to help fix your hunchback or head forward posture. And when you go through the sequence, the frequency, I would say if you can work on these exercises daily, and I would say with 10 to 15 repetitions for each exercise. Obviously, we did them in sitting, so to make it easier on the body, sitting. However, they can be done in standing as long as your balance is okay. If you have any issues or difficulty, please stop and consult your medical provider. But I wanted to give you some simple exercises that you could do to add into your routine to help your posture. Please subscribe. Please hit the notification button. If you like this video, please leave me a comment, and I appreciate your time. Hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye now.